Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use MakeMyTrip offers. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for MakeMyTrip. And if you scroll down, as you can see, there's a tab called Super Offers, where if you click on all the offers currently available are going to be shown. As you can see, for now, there is this right over here. However, if you want to simply go ahead and get offers on most of your trips, what you can do is get their MMT select privileges. So that is just a loyalty program that they offer. All you need to do is just click on book now and then go ahead and get their membership. And on every certain amount you spend, you get certain coins which will help you get your coupons, and then the coupons you can simply go ahead and use it when it comes to checking out or for example, let me say booking your hotel. So for example, if I want to book this random hotel and click on book this now, and as you can see, there are coupon codes right over here. So if you have a coupon code, you can just add it from here. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.